We are into project quality managed knowledge area, and before we get further, let us understand what is quality and how is it different from grade. Now you might be hearing your colleagues making statement that this is not a quality product, or this is not a quality car, or this is not a quality mobile phone. Now what is quality and how PMI or as a project manager you can look at quality? The way PMI pick up the quality definition, which is coming from ISO's way of looking at quality, is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirements. So it's more about what is your requirement as a customer segment from that particular product. What are your expectations from that particular product? And this particular product, at what degree, how much it is meeting your requirements, meeting your expectations. Expectations and requirement ideally should be in line. So if you meet the requirement 100%, you are a quality product. Now you may see a car, and when a particular car is in front of you, you can think of that, okay, this is a car. And this has some set of characteristics which will fulfill the requirement from a car. Now, in the market, you find different kinds of cars, different segments of car. You have A segment car, which looks little bit different, which has some more details. You have a B segment car, etc., etc. So you see all these different segments of cars, which are more or less meeting the same functional need, but has some different type of promise, some different type of specifications to meet for their target customer. So a segment car or a B segment car, both of them could be a quality product if they meet their requirements. And even if an expensive car could be a bad quality product if it is not meeting its requirements which it communicates to the stakeholder, to the customers. Now how do we differentiate this? This is something, another terminology, we call it grade. So grade is a category assigned to a deliverable, or you can say a category assigned to a car. When I say A segment, B segment, C segment, this is a category assigned to a car having the same functionality but different technical characteristics. You may see that the power, the engine power varies as the segment changes. The security feature varies as the engine changes. The mileage and other stuff starts varying as the segments gets changed, but the functional requirements remains the same. Now, how as a project manager you should use these two things? Because okay, you understand quality is something at a degree to which you meet the requirements, and grade is something having same functionality but having some technical specification and different promise. Now, how as a project manager this conversation can make you plan your quality better? As a project manager, many times you struggle, your team's getting confused between quality and grade. If you are expected to make a mobile phone for the students, the target segment is students, and you have a set of expectation from your stakeholders, and this mobile phone has to get sold in $100, and if your team starts making a mobile phone which may end up costing you $1,000, it doesn't make sense. Both of them are mobile phone, but both of them are taking care of a different customer segment. Many of your stakeholders, people from quality teams, people from expert groups may come up and say, no, this is not the quality we are looking for. We are looking for a different quality. Now you need to be clear as per your project mandate, as per your project sponsor's expectation, what grade, what specification, what target segment your product is expected to adhere to, and you need to meet the quality for that segment. You don't have to design a $1,000 mobile phone for a customer segment of $100 or a vice versa. So be conscious when you are doing your quality planning and your quality assurance and quality management, quality control related activities, that your team and your own measurement system don't get confused between quality and grade. We all do want to have higher grade products, but higher quality product we always need, irrespective of the grade. So even if I am buying a low segment car, I do expect my requirement for that particular segment car should get met as promised by the vendor.